It just does it for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fantasy. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, the whole 9 yards, and I hope that by the end of this video you decide to join the Fantasy family. Thank you guys so much for hitting 4K. I am like so grateful and so happy. We are on the road to 5K now, and I am just excited to just be on this journey on YouTube with you guys. Like, it's surreal. Like, honestly, thank you guys so much for supporting me, showing me that you guys are loving what I'm putting out. And yeah, so today's video, before I ramble on, today's video is going to be a haul. This haul is an Opali times Ekin haul. If you guys are not familiar with Ekin, she is the winner of Love Island season 7. Okay, I am an indulger, a binge watcher. Come on, don't interrupt me. A binge watcher of Love Island. Like, I'm so obsessed with Love Island, it's almost ridiculous. Like, my boyfriend is so annoyed with me because all I do is watch Love Island, and I was a little bit late on the train when it came to season 7 and the whole entire series. So yeah, but we have 4 pieces today. Yes, 4 pieces to show you guys. I'm gonna be inserting like photos from the website as well as how it looks on me. It's gonna be one of those type of videos, like, you know, versus me versus the model. But if you guys want to see the Ekin times Opali line on a person, on someone a little bit more curvier, or anything, just want to see it on me and see if you want to buy it, you should, then keep on watching. So the first item that we have is this dress right here. I am going to leave the names of the dress, the links of the dresses all down below. I got all of these dresses in a UK size 8, which is a US size 6, because Opali does run a bit small. So I just want to make sure that I fit these pieces, because I was like, girl, I am wearing these out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how these items look dressed up, you know, like really cute. It's a very cute date night fit. The quality is amazing. And when I say it snatches you, it snatches you. Okay, so like it actually snatches you. It looks so freaking good. This is how the back looks. Not much to it, just kind of simple, not really anything super fancy of any kind, but it just does it for me. Like, it just looks so freaking bomb. Like, and it makes my body look so snatched. Like, I look skinty. Like, I'm already small. I'm pretty small, but I look skinny. Like, the detailing that it has here has like a drawstring like detailing, so you can pull this a little bit tighter if you want to give even a more snatch look. I didn't really tie this like anyway, honestly. How it came out the bag, out of the packaging, is how I put it on. I am loving the arms. I love like this little bell sleeve thing. Like, it's just so freaking cute. Like, I just love it. It's dainty, it's cute, it's perfect for date night, it's perfect for a girl's night out. Like, this is just, yeah, it's the right amount of sexy, and I'm just obsessed. Like, look at y'all, look at how snatched I look. Like, I look snatched. I also didn't eat today, so that's another one. That's a plus. So maybe I shouldn't eat when I wear this dress. Like, I will literally starve just so I can make sure that I look freaking good, because gosh, good. Next one. So the next one that we have is this Ivory Dress. Once again, like I said, it's just, the quality is super amazing. I got this in a size 6 as well. Just for stats, because you guys always ask, I am a 34, 27, 41. Okay, your girl lost a little bit of weight. I'm happy. So 41, and yeah, so this is how this piece looks. I think this and the other ivories probably like one of my, like, the dresses alone and like this line is just my faves. Like, I'm just loving them. But yeah, this is how it looks. Cup line, cute. It goes across the shoulder, across the breast line here, and then it has like this ring detailing right at the shoulder, as you guys can see. Just more details. And this is how the back looks. Let me give you a full spin. This is how the back looks. It's really giving, like, I don't know, I just haven't seen something like this before, but it just looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh, look at this quality. Guys, like, I wish you guys can feel and see what I'm talking about, because it's not giving cheap. Like, it really is really good quality, and it also has like that same type of bell bottom sleeve, except this time this doesn't have a split. It's more of like a bell bottom in a sense. The other one it was the bell bottom but a split. This one does not have a split. The mesh doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like, oh, I'm gonna like cut through it. It does have a lot of like elastic, like stretch as well, so it's very forgiving in that sense. But yes, this is how most likely I would wear it. I would wear neutral colors. Maybe you could even go with gold on this as well, because it does have the gold hardware. So I'll probably wear it with like gold heels or a brown bag, and just do it like a nude neutral type of thing, like, because this dress is the show, and I wouldn't want anything too loud to take away from the dress. Like, it really is like a classy type of dress. Like, I just love this. This is fire. Mwah. Next one. All right, so the third one that we have is this green dress, which is very simple but not simple at all. Has the same type of ruching on the side. It has these 5 rings. I think Ekin was trying to tell Davide something. This is trying to get married, because the rings is just ringing. But yes, these 5 rings. I paired it with some gold heels and my YSL gold and black bag. Really simple. Like, it's one of those dresses that's just perfect for a date night, a party. Like, you feel comfortable in it. You feel like, yes, like you can still move. It has stretch. So it has stretch and elastic, especially around the bottom. So you don't have to worry about it like riding up when you walk. This is how the back looks. Pretty simple, but baby, like, it really, really snatches you. That's the only thing that I can say. Like, her line just looks so freaking good. It looks so good on the body. Y'all, like, I want to go out. I want to go out with my friends so bad so I can wear these and actually take real pictures in them, because, oh my goodness, at this point I really want to get the whole entire line. Like, wow, I love clothes. I love this. This looks so freaking good. Let me show you guys an even closer look at the detailing. As you guys can see, it's the wrap that goes across with the 5 rings right here. It just looks so good. So good. I love it. I love it. And it's really, really hard for me to find dresses that fit me this comfortably, and this one just fits me so good. So I'm very, very happy about that. Like, honestly, so happy. On to the next and final piece. Our final item is this 2-piece pant set. I kind of wish that I got the skirt, just because this is not as flattering on me. Not so much that it's not flattering, it's a little bit too short for me. So the pants is definitely not going to work for me, because I am 5'7", so I'm not that tall, but it's pretty short. Especially if you want to wear heels, it just stops like right at the heel. I like my pants to drop like a little bit lower, like cover at least the tip of my heel or something. So like when I'm walking, it's like a little low, but it's not really giving that. But either way, this is how the top looks. It has like this velour leaf print on it that I really, really like. As you guys can see. Try to have it focus on me here. Could you focus on? Very cute with that. It has like this V-line cut. When I said it supports the girls, it really supports the girls. Love it. It also has like this like draping thing going on here. So it's like a piece of fabric that lays across here. And then it also has the same thing all the way around. My booty is big. So, yeah, so it's not really doing it so much at the back, but it's supposed to do it at the back as well. So it just kind of like folds up at the back a little. It's giving like, oh baby, when you talk like that, you make women go mad. Okay, I need to work out because these little love handles is getting out of hand. Okay, it's not handling. The love handles aren't handled. I need to get it handled. But yeah, it is a boot cut type of pants. It's cute. I wish I got the skirt because I feel like the skirt is very much more me. I'm not really a pants girl too much. I could do like a jumpsuit, but not so much pants. But either way, still cute. Really do like it. Okay, I am going to definitely get the skirt because I want the skirt, and I'm gonna most likely wear the skirt. The pants, I feel like I would have to wear this with like flats. It's just, I don't know. Maybe I should try something a little bit different, but it really does. This is sexy. Like this that is giving right here on this side is so sexy. It's giving me Beyonce, Soulja, when she used to wear her pants like super low. Hey, that's what it's giving. Like butt crack almost there, but it's not out. It looks so freaking sexy. I love this. I love that. It also has the ring design on the side as well. Like I said, my girl is trying to get a ring. Okay, that's just what it is. All right, so this is the last piece. Let's go ahead and wrap up the video. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this haul. It was short, sweet, straight to the point. Well, basically try on haul, styling haul. I don't know what to say, whatever. I don't know. If you guys want to see more of the pieces, let me know. I'll try to see if I can get my hands on them. I'll probably order them myself because there's other pieces that I've seen and I was just like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. Like it looks so freaking good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, if you guys see anything that you like on this video, make sure you go and you secure your size, because I am telling you, like, if you don't know anything about Love Island, let me tell you right now, we're obsessed. At the UK, we're very obsessed. I'm not in the UK, but the UK series of Love Island, like, people are obsessed over it. So if you want something, don't try to be like, oh, it may be here next week. It won't. It won't. And it might be, but it may not be in your size. So if you see something that you like, go ahead and secure it. Go ahead and secure it. That's funny. But make sure to check out the description box down below. The links to all of those items will be down there. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the Ekin, getting under my skin.